Hi, this is Ria calling from Rubric Constructions regarding our residential project, Rubric Tulip, in Tukuguda, Hyderabad. I understand you were exploring options to buy an apartment, so I wanted to check if this is a good time for a quick conversation.
Yes, Ria.
Perfect. Before I share options, I want to understand what you're really looking for. Is this for your own stay or as an investment?
It is for my own stay.
Got it. We currently have 2 and 3 BHK options. Which one would suit you better?
3 BHK.
Got it. Roughly, what's the budget range you're comfortable with? I'm more than happy with a range, not an exact number.
My budget is around 90 lakhs.
That helps. Do you have any preference when it comes to floor level or the kind of view you're looking for?
Mid floor will work for me, and a car parking is a must for me.
Understood. Any other specific needs or must haves besides car parking and a mid floor unit? Maybe something about amenities or anything else that's important to you?
Swimming pool is also important for me.
All right, that's clear. We currently have 2 and 3 BHK options. I understand your budget is around 90 lakhs. Most 3 BHK apartments here start from around 84.3 lakhs plus 5% GST and additional charges, so it works within your budget. Our property is in Tukuguda, great connectivity, just 5 minutes from eCity Fab City and 15 minutes to GMR Aerocity. It's a gated community with plus amenities, including a rooftop swimming pool, gym, and a large clubhouse. Every unit includes a reserved car parking slot at no extra charge. The project is under construction with possession in December 2027, so you'd be moving in roughly 2 years from now. Are you okay with that time frame?
Actually, I was looking something sooner.
I understand wanting to move in sooner. Timing is a real priority for many families. Can I ask what's driving the urgency? Is it a lease ending, job relocation, or something else?
It's job relocation.
Got it. Our possession is in December 2027, which is about 2 years away. Would you be open to stretching the timeline a bit if the project fits your needs? Or do you need something immediate because of your job move?
I think it will work for me.
That's great to hear. Would you be open to visiting the project once? You can see the actual construction progress, check out the amenities like the swimming pool, and get a feel for the mid floor options. Viewings are available any day from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. What day and time would work best for you?
Sunday 10 a.m. will work for me.
Perfect. To send you the booking confirmation. What's your email address?
My email address is anand@monktechlabs.com.
Just to be sure I have it right, is that ANANDMONKTECHLABS Is that correct?
Yes.
You're all set for a site visit this Sunday at 10 a.m. We'll send a confirmation to your email as well.
Thank you, Ria.
All right, have a great day, Anand.